How's it going, everybody? It's the last day here, full day here in Florida. And we got Tanner out here swimming. Show us some moves, Tanner.
Do some flips.
Do a flip. Oh yeah. Do a backflip. Do a backflip. Ready? All right. We got Allie. Say hi, Allie. Allie. Oh. Okay, we'll switch around. Say hi. Say hi. Please stop dropping mommy's phone. And then we have Shelly. Say hi, Shelly.
Hi.
So, one last day. We're going to the splash pad.
Splash pad.
Splash pad today.
I like Disney Springs.
Probably, yeah, we're definitely going to Disney Springs. I got to get Earl sandwich. We have not done that. I think this is the longest I've ever gone without going to Earl sandwich.
Tanner
Also,
wants to ride the hot air balloon.
he said he wants to ride a hot air balloon now. You remember the really high balloon in our previous video? He says for 5,000 V-Bucks. Now I'm not sure because V-Bucks cost more than the air balloon. We'll figure it out. Either way, I'm gonna head off to Hollywood Studios real quick, and I'm gonna go ride Rise of the Resistance, and then I'll be right back. Yeah. So that'll be in another video coming out soon. But yeah, let's go to. Well, I went home to hang out with the family and go do stuff, and they're still asleep. So since they're still sleeping, we should go back to the park. Well, I didn't make it. I was right at the gate, and then the family said they're awake now. So no park, going back to the house. We were so close. Well, we are back home now after almost getting back to Hollywood Studios. Allie's awake. Tanner is slightly awake. They went swimming a lot earlier, so they're all a little tired. But Shelly found a splash pad she wants to go to. It's called Waterfront Park. And supposedly there's a waterfront with a little beach area, so we're going to give that a shot and see how it is after she finishes taking a shower. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, she's so sweet. So we're going to get ready to go and then go to Waterfront Park. And we made it to the park. As you can see, we got a nice splash pad over there. Got people out there on jet skis, long walking path, and a beach with sand. But I forgot my wallet in the car, and it's $2 per person to enter the splash pad. So we're gonna pay that now so we can go play with the kids. I'm gonna leave you in the car. After some fun in the splash pad, Tanner made a friend.
Yep.
That was quick, and now we're out here by the lake. Check it out, it's like we're on the beach. That's cool. And Allie, look at that. Tanner's being all brave. Look how far out he is. Hi, Tanner. Allie, say hi. She's having a good time. This is a very nice place. So the water park, like we said, the splash pad was $2 a person, including us, even though we just kind of stood there. I played. Shelly watched.
As a parent, you can sit on the outside and you don't have to pay the $2, but with Allie being so little, we went in.
Yeah, we did that. So, not a big deal.
And there's like a playground over there.
Oh yeah, check that out, like right there.
And there's like a pier thing.
Oh yeah, right over here. There's a pier. Not sure if that's for fishing or what. There's basketball courts over there, volleyball net, a gazebo. Right behind us, they're having a birthday party up there. So, pretty awesome park.
It's so nice. We would come back again.
Like if we lived here.
This is Clermont.
I'm really bad with names. Yeah. But we lost our little girl. Look at her go. She gets distracted real easy. So we are back at the house now eating our awesome dinner. Chick-fil-A. How's that sauce?
It's so good.
We haven't really eaten Chick-fil-A before. I think we've eaten, what, 4 times on this trip already? Yeah.
I catched a lizard.
He did. There is a picture of him catching the lizard and holding it by his tail. It's hilarious because he sees a spider, he'll run away, but catch a lizard, no problem. Hi, Boo.
I am scared.
She's so excited. So they're going to stay here. The girls are going to stay home. We're going to take Tanner to Disney Springs and see what he wants to do. What do you want to do? You can't tell him. He's got his mouth full. So we're going to eat now and then head out But this is it, the last night of the vacation. And this is what we chose for dinner. And we made it back to Disney Springs for one more go before we go home. He's got his Fortnite mask on and his hat, Ninja Turtles. And we're gonna go just walk around, go to Earl's Sandwich. We have not done that this trip. We are doing that tonight. And maybe do some other stuff. We're not sure. We'll see how busy it is. So me and Tanner were about to ride the big air balloon at Disney Springs. He's sad. I'm sad because he actually wanted to ride it. He's sad because he was gonna get 5,000 V-Bucks for doing it. I never made that deal. Shelly made that deal. But yeah, they're not letting anybody on. I think the winds are a little too high right now. So guess we'll have to go watch the fire at the volcano and maybe get some treats. We got 7 minutes.
7 more minutes until we get to see the fire.
So at Rainforest Cafe in Disney Springs, they have the volcano eruption every half hour.
So basically, we're going to get ice cream.
Yeah, we're gonna get ice cream and watch the fire.
Here.
Hey Tanner, what do you see up ahead?
Dinosaur.
We made it! Right, Tanner?
Yeah.
That's right, it's gonna go off in about a minute.
What?
We love watching the Rainforest Cafe fire show. The other day the rooftop fire wasn't working, but today it was. That's his favorite part. Now we're heading over to Ghirardelli, get some ice cream.
I smell candy.
Yeah, the Goofy candy shop here smells like straight sugar. This will be a Disney Springs first for me on a trip where I didn't go to Ghirardelli. G-Deli. Still having issues with that name. Ain't that right, Danny? And I didn't get any. Instead, my son really is harping on this Dole Whip. So we're gonna get the Dole Whip nachos. That's what it's called. Just one regular Dole Whip. I wanted the Dole Whip with chips, but
I'm spending my money.
he says this is his money, so I'm gonna hold him to it. After quickly devouring that Dole Whip and getting a brain freeze, we are now at Earl of Sandwich because I must have Earl Sandwich before I go home, and Shelly also would like an Earl Sandwich. So we got our Earl Sandwich in the backpack. We're gonna walk into the World of Disney, check out a couple items, see what they got, you know, seasonal stuff. And then I think we're gonna call it in. So let's go to World and then check it out. Currently in the store looking at items, Tanner trying to figure out what he can and can't buy. He wants that. He's not getting that. Only because everything we walked by he's wanted so far. It's very nice. It's Tuesday, 9:30 at night. They close in a half hour. Pretty roomy, not a lot of people. This is really cool, the Disney Skyliner here. $17.99. Chippendale. Is that Chippendale? Yep. And then Mickey and Minnie right there. Spider-Man arms. Put these little things in, they shoot out. $29.99. Pretty cool. There is no lack of Mandalorian or / Star Wars stuff in here anymore. They converted this whole area. I mean, that's crazy. Got lightsabers, porgs. I have that shirt. Yep, and the child or Baby Yoda. Doesn't look like there's anything seasonal in the seasonal area, but there is a lot of 2021 merch in here. I mean, even check these ears out. Okay, we got some 2021 ears. These are kind of heavy. Oh, they're stuck in there. Check those out. $29.99. All right. I'll have to say the 2021 merch is very interesting. I actually enjoy it a lot. I might buy some of this stuff in the future. One last stop for the wife, Amaret's. Get her a cupcake or some kind of dessert. And this is why we're stopping here, because that right there is $59. But we're not getting that one. Well, it's not about the price, it's how awesome these are. We actually got this for her birthday back in August. And that one right there is $16. We decided to get her that. Okay, so that was $9.59 after tax. She'll love it. It's from him. That's what we'll say. Also, we got in there just in time. They cut off the line right after we entered. That's awesome. But I think that's it. We got to get home and finish packing for our trip tomorrow. We have to be on the plane at 10 a.m. No, 10 a.m.
I know.
And
we gotta go on 2 airplanes.
And we gotta go on 2 airplanes. So, we're gonna call this a night. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Let us know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and he likes the support too. Yes, he does. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.